move it, guys. Nice, just move it.
Get this out!
Maybe just wait, did they still hold it?
Outside already, come on.
Let's go! Come on, Puck! Yeah, there you go!
Come on.
Way to get in there!
Go!
Come on.
Abby, you're good, baby!
Abby! Abby, tackle low!
Tackle low, baby!
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Get the ball! Tackle! Tackle! Nice, Maddie!
Forest, scrum.
Good job!
Don't you worry, Abby!
Hey, run, Abby! Abby, scrum!
Stop, Adam! Stop! I don't care. Stop!
Heidi.
Okay, Abby, don't even be sad. Let's go, Abby. Abby, ball's right here.
Let's go, Wolves! Be on, Haley! Coming this way!
No.
Come on, here we go!
Straight up.
Hassel. Let's go.
Go, go!
Oh, Heidi. Hey, hey, moving, 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 moving. Julia, squeeze in, squeeze in, squeeze in. There you go, good.
Liam, make him tackle!
Don't take the chance. You're gonna run downwards. Attack! Attack! Attack!
Hey, there you go. Okay.
All the way! 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 You okay?
Haley, you good? Haley, Haley!
What did you say today?
Did they play today? They play in the morning.
They were there.
That's not.
They're the only couple teams. No.
That's Lynn Benton.
Okay, watch this from.
Lynn Benton is orange.
Yes. Everything is
Big drum, ladies! Big drum!
They don't have gas money.
Watch for after. I want to do to try something maybe next week. So they turn always behind.
Abby! Eyes up! Mark your man! Mark your man!
Hey, is it Tuesday or Wednesday?
Bye! Yeah, Abby!
What?
Is it Tuesday?
Are you, Abby?
I'm confused. What are they doing?
No time to spin. No time to spin.
Power position.
Can we just not contest? Because they're taking so long.
You got the fight.
Question. Is Autumn going to be a block next year?
Heidi, you got this.
So we should like.
Just right now. Just for this. Like,
We weren't even allowed.
I really want to go.
We're not going to actually not going to do that.
You were like good.
Go, Abby. Go, Kylie.
Make a pass, make a pass, make a pass.
Good job, Kylie.
Hey, you made all your tries.
Nice kick, awesome.
Let's go. Julie! Julie, that's your ball.
Maylee! You have to stand at the line out. Go stand at the line out.
Still.
Is it in your calf?
Let's play.
Okay, your hamstring?
You guys keep playing. It's fine. Keep playing. Come on, guys, push, let's go!
Is that not okay stretch there or too much?
Hold the scrum, guys.
How to cramp the form, or no? Make sure you drink a lot of water. You want to get
Go, May! Let's go! Support! Let's go!
A lot of times, like once you start cramping, if your body's dehydrated, you know, it might happen again. Like, I'm not saying it definitely will, but it will. But the best thing to do is to keep stretching. Okay. You're right.
Let's go, Heidi!
When it's on the...
Let's go!
One shot. One shot.
Come on, Timberwolves!
He's not rocking, so he's standing there. Instead of rocking, he's supposed to rock.
Go, Timberwolves!
We're all punchy.
Come on, guys!
What's that? You always put your opponent's high level so you can bring the game.
Line out! Line out!
Just make sure you stay down straight and toes up. Work on it. Get up.
I want to go in. Just this last minutes, please.
Okay, after this one, you point for us. That's it. Why do we can't do that? Come on.
Kylie, you just fell. Yes, Aaliyah. Yes.
See, we're not passing the ball to. Come on, guys.
Let's
Don't fight with it. Come on.
This is so bad. They're all right there.
It's a try.
No, I don't think they can win this. Can I go in?
Go in, go in, go.
Also! Also! Yes, Devin, go! Yes,
Also!
Evie! Evie! Also!
No, we can get in trouble.
Evie! Evie! Yes, bring her down! Yes, Lily! Yes! Also, hurry!
Come on, come on.
Tatiana!
Now we play that game.